yesterday with us. We know we together as a family doing this session. And here is my lovely, amazing host, Jagdeep Kaur. So,
Welcome and good morning to your session of the Magic Book Reading. And we will be starting with our day one, which is the practice session one. And I'm inviting all of you to jump in and participate fully, read along when the reader is reading, and do all the practices, assignments as they are designed to get magic in your life.
yeah,
So we are going to wait for some more time for people to join in, and then we'll start the session. In the meantime, anybody wants to share anything from yesterday's assignment? I hope you have seen the movie The Secret and written your dreams. So anything anybody wants to say about that?
I want to share, like जैसे हमारा एक टास्क मिला था ग्रेटिट्यूड का एंड वी हैड टू से थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू. तो जैसे ही सेशन ओवर हुआ था ना, आई सेड थैंक यू टू माय मदर, आई सेड थैंक यू टू माय वाइफ, आई सेड थैंक यू टू माय सिस्टर. एंड बिलीव मी, लाइक पूरा दिन ना कल का सबका बिहेवियर चेंज था. लाइक जैसे नॉर्मली वो लोग बिहेव करते हैं ना, ऐसा था नहीं. वहाँ ज्यादा लव था, ज्यादा कोऑर्डिनेशन था, ज्यादा बॉन्डिंग थी. वी वर हैप्पी, वी वर लाफिंग, वी वर एंजॉयिंग. सो आई कुड क्लियरली सी थैंक यू से कितना फर्क पड़ता है.
या थैंक यू से फर्क पड़ता है, बट थैंक यू डेलिबरेटली thinking thank you, putting feelings into it, that is what is the formula. So when you're
Yes.
saying thank you with lots of feelings, that is gratitude.
राइट.
And that is what will cause magic. And
एंड
that
मेरी
is what
मदर
we
आज
saw.
भी कि मेरी मदर मेरे से पूछ रही थी कि थैंक यू किस चीज के लिए बोल रहा है. व्हेन आई सेड कि मैं किस चीज के लिए नहीं बोल रहा ये पूछो. देन शी स्टार्टेड लाफिंग. तो तो वो वहां पे वो लव एंड वो ना शी वाज डिलाइटेड कि वो सुबह सुबह उठ के मैं उनको थैंक यू बोल रहा हूँ. आई यूजुअली नेवर डू दैट.
हाँ, as a child, we take things for granted. And when we take
राइट.
things for granted, there is no gratitude there. So that is what the book said yesterday. So जहाँ gratitude नहीं है वहाँ, क्योंकि because we have taken things for granted. And parents को हम taken for granted ही रहते हैं, अपने spouses को taken for granted ही लेते हैं. So when we start practicing it with them, and the way it starts altering life is so delightful, and it is so fulfilling and so enriching experiences, which going forward you all will experience.
यस.
yeah, very true. So, Jagdeep, we have a couple of friends also joined with us, as I can see right now. So, I want to welcome them Ambika, Anji, Vijal, Meenakshi, and obviously Varun and Darshan is there with us. So there is a number showing up 8120679543 2. If you can just share your name, that would be great. And I would request everyone. I think Meenakshi also promised yesterday that she will open. So we have making note of it. So because if the camera is open, I think you also might be experiencing the participation level goes up. And
Yeah.
आपका और हमारा सबका एक ही इंटेंशन है कि ज्ञान की कमी किसी के पास नहीं है ना दर्शन साहब. ज्ञान तो भरा हुआ है हमारे देश में और किसी से भी जाके ले सकते हैं. But as Jagdish said yesterday, it's all about execution and practice, execution and practice, execution and practice. That's why we are here together. ओके ग्रेट. सो जगजीत वर आस्किंग गाइस कि कल जो भी एक्सरसाइज दी थी आपका क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. वरुण हैज शेयर विद अस. एनीवन वांट टू शेयर what got open up for you once you have done the exercise, like you watched the secret movie, you have penned down and list down your 10 dreams and you have chalked down the 3 major dreams. तो आप में से कोई शेयर करना चाहेगा? So we'll start with this and then we'll go ahead in the session, right Jagjeet?
That's right. Thank you, Puran, for recreating that for people who have just joined in. Welcome to your session of the Magic Book Reading. And we will be starting with our practice session one, which is day one. And I would request everybody to be participative and be on the edge of your chair because the journey is about to begin. So anybody wants to share anything from yesterday's assignment? I hope everybody's watched the movie and written down your 10 dreams and top 3 dreams. Anybody wants to share? Anybody had any question about it?
Actually, when you see the movie, it's very difficult to believe.
Yeah.
You see, yesterday I was actually attending a session on power of giving, and there also I participated that these things should be told in childhood. Actually, we keep suffering in childhood, especially in India. Children really suffer. They have to suffer their parents, they have to suffer their peer pressure, they have to suffer their teacher, they have to suffer their everything. They keep suffering. And from suffering, when somebody comes, he or she remains poor the rest of his life or her life. Can you believe it? We keep struggling with ourselves. So everything is within us. Everything is within ourselves. And we are so powerful. God has created us complete. And look at us, how we suffer throughout our life. Why?
It's a choice. It's a choice.
Yes.
It's a choice.
It's a program which we do it in our mind. And what we have been initially taught, that goes on till the end of our life. So it's a programming in our mind which is controlling our life.
Yeah.
So that, I mean.
Yeah, please continue. Sorry. Yeah.
So that programming is very important, and thankfulness should come from inside, as rightly said. It is not only by a virtual, like practically saying, people are saying thank you and you are saying thank you.
Yeah.
But I realized it yesterday in the morning when I programmed myself to be on thankful. So I was not only thankful to the general public and all, I was thankful to the God, the nature.
Yeah.
See what I am looking for, and that is happening. So the gratitude was there, and I loved it. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. So as you said about wiring, that is what has been wired in our subconscious mind from the very childhood. And as you know, to create any new habit or create new neuron patterns, it takes certain days. So that is why this author has created this book, and it is created for 28 days so that we start reprogramming our subconscious mind. We start reprogramming we start programming new neuron patterns, and this becomes, a part of our daily life. So that is the reason this book was written, and that is the reason we are here, to practice it on a daily basis and rewire our programming. So that is the intention. Yeah. Thank you so much for sharing that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. And other thing I would like to say here, initially, maybe for many things, you don't feel the gratitude. You just want, because the assignment says you do it. But the key line is fake it till you make it. When you fake it, when you keep faking it initially, it will startly coming as something which is genuine. So keep doing it, whether you're feeling gratitude from inside or not. Just do it the way it is designed, and you will start feeling the gratitude slowly, slowly. It all depends on the programming we have. Some people take lesser time, some people take more time, but keep doing it, keep practicing it, and it'll be there.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. And a couple of more friends have just joined. So I'd like to welcome Chitralekha, Devinder, Aparna Bhatia. So, and as those people have joined, we right now just contemplating on what we all co-created yesterday and what on the assignment.
Can I ask you?
Yeah, please go ahead. What's your name?
My name is Bijal Shah.
Yeah, Bijal, please go ahead.
Yeah, yesterday I saw 3 or 4 times Secret movie.
Okay.
Because I saw the first time, मैंने कभी देखा नहीं.
Okay.
So मुझे ये पूछना है कि जो लोन के बारे में बोल रहे थे कि लोन जितने भी हर एक जगह पे लोन तुम्हारे तो सब आप उसको दे रहे हो आह्वान, राइट? पर अगर लोन को कैसे अगर देने छोड़ना है तो कैसे बोल सकते? व्हाट डू हैव टू से पॉजिटिव वे? अगर बहुत सारा लोन हो गया तो उसके ऊपर हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
I have abundance of money.
Okay.
I have abundance of money that will create, because see, why after paying off the debt, what is the situation? What are you looking for? That is the end result. What is the end result? When you're paid off the loan, how will you feel?
And whatever in a house, जो बोलते ना कांच का कुछ भी मत रखो टूटा हुआ, जो whatever is there. Yesterday I throw everything and I said thank you. I feel so happy. I met my friend yesterday after 5 months के बाद में मिली होगी. I said thank you so much. Say what happened? Thank you क्यों बोल रही है? कुछ नया सीख रही हूँ, तुम लोग भी सीखो कुछ जिंदगी में.
Yeah, you can invite them. You can invite them in the session also.
Okay, because I learned something new कि लाइफ में कुछ तो नया सीख रही हूँ मैं. मेरे को भी नहीं पता ये क्या है चीज. And thank you so much. You teach me a really very good कैसे क्या क्या करना चाहिए. I'm so excited कि what I wanted. I'll just focus in my work कि मुझे ये चाहिए means चाहिए life.
See, the problem is that we focus on things we don't want in life. And where focus goes, energy flows.
Right.
Yeah. So when we start focusing on what we want in life, things starts altering, things starts changing around us. So if you're talking about the debt,
yeah.
If you don't have debt, what will be the situation? How will you be?
Okay.
आप कैसे होंगे जब आपको लोन नहीं पे करना होगा?
Yeah, so then I will be depressed ना अगर नहीं होगा तो.
नहीं अगर आपको लोन नहीं देना,
तो then I will be happy, no?
Yeah, so I am happy.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I am happy. I have paid all my loans.
Okay, that I have to written now.
Yes, and so, write thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for the abundance of money. I'm happy that I paid all my loans.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
So you just have to start it with thank you and write something which is positive, which is the end result you want.
Okay.
Like you said, you'll be happy. Somebody may feel peaceful.
Okay.
I'm at peace. I don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
So whatever you are feeling, because it is your life.
Okay.
So whatever end result you want, focus on that.
Right.
Rest will fall in place. That is the magic of this book.
Okay. And thank you so much कि आपने जो sharing किया वो video, I'm literally मैंने life में नहीं देखा है, मैंने पहली बार देखा ये video.
Yeah.
I'm really happy. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome. And मुझे भी किसी ने कभी share किया था. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
As I said yesterday, हर चीज का वक्त है.
Right.
Yeah.
हर चीज का ये टाइम पे मुझे ये मिला because मुझे दर्शन जी ने मुझे इसमें ज्वाइन किया. So I'm thank you for दर्शन जी also कि आज उनके वजह से मेरे को आप अच्छे लोग मिल रहे हैं और कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है.
And yes. I'm so grateful to Colonel Pandey that because of him, I am connected to so many people. I mean, where are you from?
I'm from Belgaum because I stay my hometown is Bombay.
Okay.
So I'm dreaming my hometown.
Okay. Very good. Very good. And have you written your 10 dreams?
Yes, I written my 10 dreams.
Okay. Have you all written your dreams in present tense?
Yes.
Yes.
Any questions about dreams? Any confusion you have about how to write your dreams or something? Anybody?
I just write it down only कि what I wanted my house. जो मैंने सोचा है कि मेरा घर यहाँ पे ही है.
हाँ, तो उसमें और क्या लिखा आपने?
बस इतना ही लिखा और नहीं लिखा है मैंने.
हाँ, तो कितना बड़ा घर चाहिए? कितने एकड़ में चाहिए? कितने स्क्वायर मीटर्स में चाहिए? कितने गज में चाहिए? और घर कैसा होना चाहिए? ओवरलुकिंग क्या होना चाहिए? कितने कमरे होने चाहिए?
Okay.
आगे क्या गार्डन चाहिए आपको, या आपको टेरेस गार्डन चाहिए, या आपको कितने कमरे ग्राउंड फ्लोर में चाहिए, कितने आपको मतलब मल्टी स्टोरी बनाना है, सिंगल स्टोरी बनाना है, एवरीथिंग जस्ट विजुअलाइज कि आपको अपना घर कैसा चाहिए एंड राइट ऑल दैट डाउन, एवरीथिंग टू द माइनेस्ट डिटेल, जितना भी आपके दिमाग में आ रहा है कि आपको अपने घर के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए. Even if you want to decorate the house the way you want, what are the colors of the room,
Okay.
what is the kind of furniture you have.
Okay.
So write every detail. See, it is like you're going to a restaurant and you are telling the guy who comes to take the order, कुछ अच्छा खाना ला दो यार, बहुत भूख लगी है. So he says, what do you want? मतलब जो बहुत अच्छा है वो ले आओ. अब वो बटर चिकन भी ले आएगा, वो तंदूरी क्या कहते हैं कुछ और भी ले आएगा, वो पनीर की सब्जी भी ले आएगा, वो दाल भी ले आएगा, या वो पुलाव भी ले आया, वो बिरयानी भी ले आया, आपकी पूरी प्लेट टेबल भर दी उसने, बट यू डिडंट वांट एनी ऑफ देम. Yeah,
right. Okay, I will write today everything.
Be very specific. So we are, if you've seen the magic, we are placing our order with the universe. ये मुझे ये चाहिए.
Right.
So the more specific, the more to the minutest detail, जब minutest detail तक आप लिखते हो ना, तो उसको पता है कि आपको क्या चाहिए.
Okay.
So वो उसको भी confusion नहीं है, आपको भी confusion नहीं है. Many a times we say भगवान ये दे दे, भगवान ये दे दे, पर हम उसको पूरा तो बताते नहीं कि चाहिए क्या.
Right.
So be very specific in your dreams.
Okay.
And write, I have a house in Belgaum overlooking this. I mean, if you have identified the place, आपने plot identify किया है, तो वो plot के बारे में लिखो, इधर ये है, उधर ये है, whatever. What is it adjoining areas?
Okay.
So write each everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So write it like that. And write it in present tense as if you already got it.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Vijay. Anybody else has any confusion about writing a dream?
Okay.
I think Puran, I think we can start now.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Vijay, for sharing with us. Once we participate this level and share, trust me, it gives value to you. It gives value to
Ma'am, yesterday we also watched the movie The Secret. It was amazing.
Yeah, and I don't know how many times I have watched it, and every time
it was amazing. Every single detail is there.
Yeah, every time I watch it, I get goosebumps.
It was amazing, amazing. We got every single detail, like what we are up to, what we are for, why we should practice gratitude, expressing gratitude. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Very inspirational and motivating. And it's very scientific also.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, great.
Yes,
Thank you for sharing. And I request everyone, once who come and share something, please do share your name, because maybe the other people don't know, right? And we are together in the closed group, so it will make everyone.
Antara here.
Antara, I got that. Thank you.
Antara, welcome and good morning. Where are you from?
Ma'am, I'm from Calcutta.
Okay, yeah, please go ahead.
Yes. Oh. So yeah, actually, yes. Thank you. Yes.
Okay, great. So guys, let's start our session. I think people already joined in. So again, who just joined, thank you so much. And we're going to start our day one today. And that's count your blessings. So, as we have given this opportunity, we all are practicing together. So I invite, if anyone want to read this chapter, they can say hello. I think we got a request yesterday also, Javdeed, right?
Yeah, Varun wanted to read it today. So
yes, I want to. Thank you.
Great.
Yeah, others can also nominate their names and can read.
Yeah, so you can share here, or you can put up in the WhatsApp also. So we will make it.
Yeah.
So ask each and everyone, can you see on your screen the day one count your blessings? So just want to make sure that everyone is able to see that. Kindly put on chat box if you all are able to see the screen. Day one count your blessings, so that we clear about it. Can you put up in chat box? Yes, guys. Okay, got that. So I got from Ambika, okay, Meenakshi and everyone. Fine. So it seems that everyone can see that. So great, Varun. So please go ahead and create this magic for each and everyone here.
Okay, thank you. It's day one, count your blessings. When I started counting my blessings, my whole life turned around. Willie Nelson, B. 1933, singer, songwriter. You will have heard people say to count your blessings. And when you think about the things you are grateful for, that's exactly what you are doing. But what you may not have realized is that counting your blessings is one of the most powerful practices you can ever do. And it will magically turn your whole life around. When you are grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, you will see those things instantly increase. If you are grateful for the money you have, however little, you will see your money magically grow. If you are grateful for a relationship, even if it's not perfect, you will see it miraculously get even better. If you are grateful for the job that you have, even if it's not your dream job, things will begin to change so that you enjoy your job more. And all kinds of opportunities for your work will suddenly appear.
Yeah, I would just like to add something here. So, for money as well as for relationship. So I was till recently I was working and I had a love hate kind of relationship with my boss, which most of us have when we are working in corporate world. And so many a times I used to really get very frustrated and irritated with the kind of behavior she shown towards me. But when I was doing magic during this lockdown and in between also, whenever I practiced it, whenever I started saying gratitude to her and writing it, writing gratitude for her, her behavior instantly changed. And since I think we started practicing this magic from April, since the time the lockdown started. And since then, our relationship is totally altered. It's turned around totally. I mean, we are more like friends now. And she shares her deepest feelings, her deepest, emotions with me, which was not happening earlier. It was always, I was at the receiving end. I mean, whatever she was dealing with, she was just throwing at me. So similarly, in life, we have all sorts of relationships. We have relationships at home. We have relationships at our work. We have relationships in communities. So as a human being, we are surrounded by relationships and we thrive on that. Without relationship, we can't exist also. But how to make them a magical relationships? So here's the key. When you pay gratitude to somebody, your relationship will start altering. I have experienced it since April till now. So I'm sharing it from my own experience. So just wanted to share it here. Please go ahead.
The flip side is that when we are not counting our blessings, we can fall into the trap of unintentionally counting negative things. We count negative things when we talk about the things we don't have. We count negative things when we criticize or find fault with other people. When we complain about traffic, waiting in lines, delays, the government, not enough money, or the weather. When we count negative things, they increase too. But on top of that, with every negative thing we count, we cancel out blessings that were on their way. I have tried both counting my blessings and counting negative things. And I can assure you that counting your blessings is the only way to have abundance in your life.
1 second. Like Bijal was asking, I mean, about loans. So when you are thinking about loans all the time, you will only get loans. If you see the movie, that person, when he's talking about only the bills, he's getting bills only in his mailbox. And the moment he started thinking about the checks, he was getting more checks. It's not that he was not getting bills, but the number of bills reduced and number of checks increased. So similarly, in our life, when unintentionally, without knowing about it, we are most of the time giving attention to our negative things, negative thoughts, whatever things we don't want in our life or whatever things we don't have in our life. We are always talking about it. We are always thinking about it, and that increases. So when you start counting your blessings, it's the other way around. When you start counting your blessings will start growing. You will get such circumstances. There will be incidents for you to be more grateful for. So that is what is mentioned here. Please go ahead.
Okay. Better to lose count while naming your blessings than to lose your blessings to counting your troubles. Might be D. Babcock, 1858-1901, writer and clergyman.
It's a very important quote. If you can remember this, can you go a little back? Yeah. Better to lose count while naming your blessings. So if you go ahead in the book, the practice today is to write 10 blessings every day. So once you start writing, you don't have to stop at 10. You can keep writing as many blessings, as many gratitudes for the blessings God and the universe and the people have given us. So he says, better to lose count while naming your blessings than to lose your blessings to count your troubles. Going forward in the book, the author will explain that for every negative thing we say about people, we criticize people, or any negative thought we give to anything, we'll have to give 10 gratitudes to come to the same level. So keeping that in mind, when you are giving power to negative thoughts, you are actually losing your blessings. So it is, I mean, logically भी अगर आप देखें, तो it is better ना, ये तो बहुत बिल्कुल ही क्या कहते हैं वो loss का धंधा है. So why get into that? We always want to win, and we are winners. So this is the formula to keep it back of your mind all the time. If you want, you can actually put it on your table or make it your wallpaper on this thing, so that you always remember to be grateful. Please continue.
First thing in the morning or as early in the day as you can, count your blessings. You can write out your list.
Yeah, you can write out your list.
Type it on a computer or use a special book or journal and keep all of your gratitude in one place. Today, you are going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. When Einstein gave thanks, he thought about why he was grateful. When you think about the reason why you are grateful for a particular thing, person, or situation, you will feel gratitude more deeply. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feeling. So with each item on your list, write the reason why you are grateful for it.
Excuse me, Varun, I want you to read that paragraph again and read it a little slow.
Okay. First thing in the morning or as early in the day as you can, count your blessings. You can write out your list by hand, type it on a computer, or use a special book or journal, and keep all of your gratitude in one place. Today, you are going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for.
1 second. So I have requested all of you yesterday to start a new notebook or a register or something. Like I have been using different registers every time. So I bought this new register in which I am writing my gratitudes. So start a new register for this whole month, and then you may continue writing in that. Every day, write in the same notebook where you have written your dreams. If you've written your dreams elsewhere, copy them on this new notebook, write in the first page, write all your dreams, top 3 dreams highlighted, and then start writing your 10 blessings every day in the same notebook, and continue doing all your assignments in the same notebook so that it is at one place. Yeah, just wanted to say that. Please go.
Okay. When Einstein gave thanks, he thought about why he was grateful. When you think about the reason why you are grateful for a particular thing, person, or situation, you will feel gratitude more deeply. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feeling.
Yes.
So with each item on your list, write the reason why you are grateful for it.
Yeah. So while writing the gratitude, when you're writing count your blessings, you're writing your blessings, the writer is actually explaining you how to write it. So when you write, thank you for, thank you for sun, like thank you to sun. What for? For giving us energy, for giving us heat, for giving whatever you want to write. So there has to be a reason why are you thankful. So when you start thinking about the reason, like Varun was sharing that he was saying thank you to her mother, to his mother, and his mother asked what for. So when you start saying what are you thankful for, the gratitude comes from your deeper sense, your deeper feelings. You will feel it and say it. "अच्छा, इन्होंने मेरे लिए ये किया था." Like my mother, if I'm saying thank you to my mother for bringing me to this world. That is number one. Taking care of me throughout my childhood when I was adolescent, shaping my mind, principles मुझे सिखाए, मुझे अच्छी चीजें सिखाई, क्योंकि माँ तो पहली गुरु होती है. So so many things you can think of. When you start writing that, when you write the reason why are you thankful. Like if I say I'm thankful to Puran, why I'm thankful to Puran? I'm thankful to Puran because he's made this possible for me to get connected to all of you and start this journey together. He's so instrumental in this. He's supporting me. So that is the reason I'm grateful to him. So when I state the reason why I'm grateful, it comes from the feelings. And feelings and thoughts is what gratitude is made of. So the author is actually explaining how to write it. So when you write your 10 blessings today, this is how you're supposed to write it. Please go ahead.
Here are some ideas for writing your list. I'm truly blessed to have what?
So in case you're writing, I'm truly blessed to have this life because I'm able to experience the nature around me, experience the experience of life itself, So something like that. So I'm happy and grateful for that people are participating in this and are committed in creating magic in their own life. So something like that. Whatever is coming to your mind, when are you writing the sentence, it has to begin like this. I'm truly blessed to have, or I'm truly blessed, or I'm happy, I'm grateful. So these are certain sentences they have formed. So you can use them and create your count your blessings list. Please go ahead.
After you have finished making your list of 10 blessings.
Please read all. Please read all.
Okay.
Varun, please read all and kindly. Sure. This is a very, very important question. So my request to you, Varun, if you can slowly go through it so that people can grasp this.
Yeah.
Very important. Need to practice. Thank you.
I'm truly blessed to have what? Because why? I'm so happy and grateful for because. I'm truly grateful for because. With all my heart, thank you for Because after you have finished making your list of 10 blessings, go back and read each one, either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each blessing, say the magic words 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful to the universe, God, spirit, goodness, life, your greater self, or any other concept you are drawn to. When you direct gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel it even more. And your gratitude will have even more power and create even more magic. It's the reason why indigenous and ancient cultures chose symbols like the sun to direct their gratitude toward. They were simply using physical symbols to represent the universal source of all goodness. And in focusing on that symbol, they felt more gratitude. The practice of counting your blessings is so simple and so powerful in altering your life that I want you to continue to add 10 more blessings to your list every day for the next 27 days. You might think it could be difficult to find 10 things you are grateful for every day, but the more you think about it, the more you will realize how much you have to be grateful for. Look closely at your life. You have received and are continuing to receive so much each and every day. There is really so much to give thanks for. You could be grateful for your home, your family, your friends, your work, and your pets. You could be thankful for the sun, the water that you drink, the food that you eat, and the air that you breathe. Without any of them, you would not be alive. You could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the oceans, the birds, the flowers, the plants, blue skies, rain, the stars, the moon, and our beautiful planet Earth. You could be grateful for your senses, your eyes that see, your ears that hear, your mouth that tastes, your nose that smells, and your skin that enables you to feel. You could be grateful for the legs you walk on, your hands that you use to do almost everything, your voice that enables you to express yourself and communicate with others. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well, and all of your organs that maintain your body so that you can live. And what about the magnificence of your human mind, which no computer technology in the world can duplicate?
Okay, great. So Varun, I want to add on something here, guys. Once जब अभी वरुण ये क्रिएट कर रहे थे हम सबके साथ में, तो आप में से कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया कि द मोमेंट ही स्टार्ट शेयरिंग टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर द आईज, thankful for the ear, the thankful for the body, our attention, our shift has gone. Might be आप में से कई लोगों ने एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे मैंने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया कि किसी चीज मैंने कभी अपनी वॉइस के लिए थैंक्स नहीं कहा था, मेरे लिए पहली बार प्रेजेंट हुआ दैट आई कैन से थैंक्स टू माय वोकल कॉर्ड्स so that I able to speak and communicate with the people. So if any of you have experienced that while reading these by Varun, that immediately our attention goes first time, and first time we realize, oh, I can say thanks to this also. If you have experienced that, you can put on chat box yes, and for creating that.
Yeah.
What you say, Jagjeet?
Yeah, truly. So when I read it for the first time, it was like all these things we take for granted all the time. कि घर है तो है ही ना, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है. But when we see people homeless on the streets, that is when we realize that we are so blessed that we have, house to live in. And in 1988, I had met with an accident, and I had a I had multiple fractures in my right leg and I was bedridden for 6 months. And before that, I had never realized the importance of my legs. ठीक है, चलते हैं, सभी चलते हैं, सीढ़ियां चढ़ते हैं, भागते हैं, दौड़ते हैं, सब करते हैं. But after that, when I started, that time पे वो walkers नहीं होते थे, crutches होती थी. When I started walking with crutches, first time when I took a step, I had tears in my eyes. And since then, anytime I see somebody limping, I see somebody walking with a stick, anybody who doesn't have a leg or anybody who doesn't have a foot, I immediately say gratitude to God because I have experienced it. How is it without it? So similarly, why wait for things? Why wait for such incidents to remind us? That is why this book. When you start writing your blessings, you actually get present to it, as Pooran very rightly said. We have never paid attention to it. My mother, before she expired, she lost her voice. She wanted to say few things to us, but she could not speak. And Pooran knows about it. And I know how painful it would be if I am not able to express myself. Every day in the morning when I sit in the puja room, I always say thanks for my voice. And as Pooran also said, he also never realized it, that he's able to communicate with his voice. It is such an important tool through which we communicate. And we take all such things for granted. So today when you're writing the 10 blessings, just keep thinking. When I did this exercise for the first time, as she very rightly said, कि लगता है 10 के बाद कहाँ से लाऊंगी मैं? कहाँ से आएंगी इतनी चीजें जिसके लिए मैं thank you बोलूं? I had the same thought and same experience when I started writing the 10 blessings first time. That was sometime in 2012. And surprisingly, when I started writing, it just started flowing. I mean, I could not stop at 10. I kept on going after 3-4 days. There was a struggle for a few days. After that, it just used to fly. Just used to flow on the paper. अपने आप, इसके लिए thank you because of this. Many a times I had tears in my eyes when I was writing them. So if you experience that kind of experience, don't get worried. ये मत सोचना मुझे क्या हो रहा है. So it is quite natural. So start doing it and be grateful and experience how it is to be grateful.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thanks. And thanks Ambika and Almas and Bijal for responding on chat box regarding your experience about this section. And yeah, please Varun, please go ahead.
Yeah.
Here is a list of subjects that will remind you of the major areas you can look for blessings to be grateful for. You can also add any subject you want depending on what is important to you at any time. Magic, gratitude, subjects. Health and body. Work and success. Money. Relationships. Passions. Happiness. Love. Life. Nature. Planet Earth. Air. Water and the sun. Material goods and services. Any subject of your choosing. You should feel significantly better and happier after each time you count your blessings. And how good you feel is your measure of how much gratitude you felt. The more gratitude you felt, the happier you will feel. And the faster your life will change. Some days you will feel happy really quickly. And the other days, it may take a little longer. But as you continue to count your blessings every day, you will notice a bigger and bigger difference in the way you feel each time. And you will see your blessings magically multiply. Magic reminder. Make sure to read tomorrow's magical practice sometime today, as you will need to do something specific before you begin tomorrow. Magic practice number 1.
पूरा नीचे जाना.
हाँ जी.
Puran, I'm asking Puran to move the page.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. First thing in the morning, make a list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. Write why you are grateful for each blessing. Go back and read your list either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each one, say the magic words. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. Repeat the first 3 steps of this magical practice every morning for the next 27 days. Read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Okay, so this is your assignment for today. Puran, can you just move back, please? Yeah, so you have to write 10 blessings you are grateful for, and write why are you grateful for? What are you grateful for? And then after writing all the 10 things, go back to the first one, read it aloud. If you're in a situation where you can't speak loud, then you can read it in your mind and say the magical word, thank you, thank you, thank you. And this practice we will be doing for rest of the journey every day. So every day you will have to write 10 blessings, and same practice you have to do, write why are you grateful, then read it and say thank you, thank you, thank you for each one of them. So this is your assignment for today. So you write down 10 blessings and do this exercise. Now we are going to read about tomorrow's practice also, because you need to get something before the session. So I would request Puran to move to practice number 2, please. Practice day 2. Only practice.
It's magic practice number 2.
Yeah, magic practice number 2.
It's the page number 90.
Coming, thank you.
Yeah. So,
okay.
Varun, can you read it, please?
Yes, I'll do. Magic practice number 2. The magic rock. Repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. And at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Find a magic rock and put it by your bedside. Before going to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your hand and think of the best thing that happened today. Say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened today. Repeat the magic rock practice every night for the next 26 days.
Okay. Is that all, or there's another point?
Read tomorrow's magical practice today.
Yeah, okay. So, so tomorrow you need to have a small rock. So
yesterday's movie also, in the movie Secret, there was a teacher who had this rock, and he sent 3 gratitude rocks to his friend who's he has his ailing son, his son was suffering from hepatitis, and he had sent him this 3 gratitude rocks, and with over the months his son he was ill, and it was there that but slowly and steadily he got well.
Yeah, that's true.
Person's son got well.
Yeah, that's true. Everybody has watched that movie, and I hope they have all seen this scene where the person sends the magic rock to Africa to this.
Gratitude rocks.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm going to show you my rock, which I have been using for many years now. So this is the rock. Can you see it, please? Are you able to see it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, we can.
So this is like a pebble, which we usually put it in the gamlas and planters and all that. So this is easily available. Otherwise, you can just pick any, a stone, a pebble, or a rock from nearby park or something. It should be something which does not have, sharp edges. It should be something which is easily, you can put it in your, mutti mein aa jaye. You can put it in your palm and close it. So this is what you're supposed to arrange for, and you're going to use it for rest of the sessions. So these two assignments, these two practices, you will be continuing throughout the session. So one is count your 10 blessings, and the other one is magic rock. So what is the reason? Why are we doing this? So other than what the movie has explained, so I will just add a little more to it. So how much part of our conscious mind we use and how much part of our subconscious mind we use. And whatever is stored in our subconscious mind is something which is actually ruling us. As initially, I think his name is Ajani. And what is his yarn? So I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So he was talking about wiring of subconscious mind in the morning, about in the childhood when the wiring is already done. So to rewire that, when you put the last thought before going to bed, that is the last thought which stays with your subconscious mind, and it starts reprogramming your system, your brain, reprogramming your brain, rewiring your brain. So this is the rock, and this you are supposed to use it just before going to sleep. I'm not saying going to bed. I'm saying going to sleep. So there's a difference. So before going to sleep, you have to hold this in your hand and go through your day, and what is the best thing that has happened during the day, you have to say thank you for that and go to sleep. So your last thought before going to sleep is gratitude. And the first thing in the morning when you're getting up in the morning, you're writing your 10 blessings. So the whole circle you are completing with gratitude. So imagine how your day is going to be. It's going to be magical, full of gratitude and giving you opportunities to be gratitudeful. Such situations will start happening in your life and you will start feeling more gratitude. So this is the whole logic behind this. So that is what I wanted to create with you. So please look for a rock today, and it has to be only rock. It has to be only stone. You can't use, precious stone or metal. It has to be a stone because it actually absorbs the vibrations. So that is what I wanted to create. So now coming back to practice number 1. So she has very clearly mentioned that you are supposed to do this exercise first thing in the morning. So my suggestion is the moment you get up in the morning, after you have done your freshening up and all, we usually have a glass of water, warm water or something, or tea or something. Immediately after that, I want that you start practicing writing these 10 blessings. Because if you start first thing in the morning, that is how you kick-starting your day. You're starting your day with positivity. And if you don't get time before the session, you can do it immediately after the session. Yeah. Anybody has any question? And thank you so much, Varun, for reading for everybody. And Pooran for jumping in between to support me.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Anybody has any question regarding the session today or the practice or the assignment? It's a very simple assignment, very simple assignment.
Hello, ma'am. I have a question. That can we use the stones like rose quartz or amethyst, or maybe like colorful stones which we use for healing ourselves? So can we use that for this practice?
You can use them if you want.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
But I would still suggest use a rock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anybody else has any question?
If you have any question, guys, you can unmute and you're
Ask.
very clear.
Yeah.
And Vijay got disconnected. So Vijay, we just got created an assignment. So that if anyone got disconnected and get connected again, I just want to say that we have completed the reading day 1, and Jagdeep has shared that about the assignments of today and what need to be prepared for tomorrow. I think Jagdeep, you'll be sharing that after that a little bit on WhatsApp group also, that people a little know about the rock.
Yeah. So I'll be sharing the assignment on the group. And yesterday we could not share the recording, so we will share the recording also today. There was some technical glitch, so we couldn't do it. So we'll do it today. And I'll be going to open the WhatsApp group for some time, Puran.
Yeah.
So till what time is it open? If you can just tell them, please.
So we have open still, and it will be open till 10 a.m. So they can share, they can exchange the ideas, they can, if they have any questions, they can ask that, right? And then we'll be reopen it in the evening also, so that if they have any questions, they can put up there.
And I would ask all of you to write at least one thing which you have got today from the session, and which you're going to practice other than the, of course, the practice number 1, which is the assignment. Other than that, anything else which is opened up for you, any one thing which you got new, which you were not aware of earlier. That will be helpful to others also. And yeah. Any other question?
Okay.
So today's session was a little short because this chapter is not very long. But going forward, there are some sessions, like some chapters which are a little longer. So we may have to extend it by 10-15 minutes later on. But right now, we are done with the session. And if nobody has any question or sharing, we can close the session. Poonam, what do you say?
Yes, absolutely. So on behalf of we both, Jagdeep and me, I would like to thank you each and every one of you. May this magic of gratitude fill your life with a lot of abundance, happiness. And it was great to interact with you in the early morning when we. So I request everyone, like from tomorrow, if you can join early, if you can join just at just 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes before the session, so that we can have a very fruitful discussion on that. Like today, the Vijay has asked the questions, and then Karnal Saab also shared, and so it will be great. Once we interact, it gives a lot of value to each other, right, Jagdeep?
Yeah. So we can open the. We can go live at. Sorry, we can go live at 6:50, and we can spend 10-15 minutes on this, and then we can start our readings.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Let's create magic for each other and wish you an amazing day. And thank you. So see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, and see you all tomorrow, and have a wonderful day.